Alright everybody, what's going on? This is Jacob from pickmyebike.com. You see the logo behind me. You know where we're at. It's amazing. If you guys are ready for a time that is going to blow your mind, stay tuned. Get ready. 3, 2, 1.
We got guys as well. So their team is by the customer. This guy is working with fire. And it's
We've been chatting about it. I'm so sick of yelling at everybody on the rides. We're at Crank's booth. Crank right there. Boom. Bluetooth helmets. Stay safe, people. Stay safe. Review coming soon. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Easy SMX. I had to stop real quick. Look at this controller for the phone. If you love getting your game on, oh my, game on. It's not game off, it's game on. You got an iPhone, you got an Android, you got a Google, it doesn't matter. These guys do it all. All right, Greenworks. Greenworks, yeah, they got some e-bikes. They got some scooters. I really like this bad boy for the kiddos. But I mean, all of your lawn equipment and more that you need, they got you covered. All right, guys, we are in the Kia experience of a lifetime. So if you guys are ready to share it, here we go, here we go, here we go. Ready? Woo! Let's just sit back and enjoy it together, baby.
Let me teleport myself to the front screen. Abracadabra! Here I am. It's like magic, huh? Describing me as just a car is like calling a spaceship a flying skateboard. Travels with me are more than just a ride. It is an experiential journey. They're about good time, fun, even an art gallery experience. The adventure with me is just starting. Now, pick one of the special experiences that I prepared for you considering your well-being and mood, and let our journey begin.
Stress level low, baby. You know we got that low stress level.
I'll meet you at the end of our journey. Buckle up!
Here we go, honey. Yeah! I'm ready for the car, baby! Oh my God. Jesus, this is intense. Yes. Oh my goodness gracious. Guys, this is fucking nuts. Oh my God. This is so trippy. I love it. Oh my goodness. Ah, I love it. I think I need this car just for this. Oh my goodness. There'll
be a start button.
Oh my goodness. It will tell how was your sleep? Look, it's like, oh, you're awake. Let me talk to you right now.
So we're going to build an AI with ChatGPT. So here you can communicate with you to every day about, like, I want to know some news that it will come out the
it will just start.
I want to know the stock market. Or
AI in the smart mirror is going to be nuts. That will be crazy. I love it. I love it. Look at the future, guys. Look at the future. CES. Thank you. Jacob, pickmyebike.com. You see it. We're going to end the video where we started. I shot the first shots here. I've had a blast. Amazing time at CES. Cannot wait to come back next year. We shot a million videos, so stay tuned. We got a bunch of content dropping for you guys, linking up with the most amazing, dopest brands in the game right now. So if you're ready to elevate your life, your mind, your brain, and what's going on in the game, stay tuned, because we're coming to you live and direct. Jacob, pickmyebike.com. Till next CES, everybody. Peace.